HMD, human mobile devices, which is a Finnish smartphone maker. Now, some of the founders are, I would say, Nokia veterans, and they had initially licensed from Nokia to use its brand name for making smartphones and feature phones. Last year onwards, they have also now started making phones under its own brand HMD, and they have both mobile feature phones as well as the smartphones. And let me tell you that they are doing some of the very good innovations on the side of feature phone. For instance, they enabled a 4G feature phone which has WhatsApp and YouTube. And not only that, they were the the pioneers to enable digital inclusivity in terms of you could make the payments, so you can use UPI on feature phone now, thanks to them. To me, it's the safest way to use a UPI because there is no other internet application. So even if you get, for instance, a WhatsApp, you get any link, even if you click it, it won't take you anywhere. So somewhere it protects you from that way. Now, what is happening right now is a lot of brands are now trying to see that, okay, we should now move beyond introducing AI features. Enough of Gen AI, enough of agentic AI. How can we now see that AI can add value and bring in features that are more meaningful to users? And that's where I see HMD has done an interesting thing which caught my attention. So HMD introduced something recently which they call HarmBlock AI. It has been co-developed with SafeToNet. Now, what does this HarmBlock do? So, we can't stop these days. Phones are being used by, although very personal and individual, they are many a times used by our children. We share phones with our children. And there are issues in terms of content safety, content appropriateness. We can't stop it. And, even if children are watching something very, very, particular and relevant to their age, they may still encounter some inappropriate content, especially in the form of ads or anything else. So that's where this HarmBlock AI helps, which has been developed by HMD. In real time, it just blocks those kind of inappropriate pictures and content. So it does that. It also does not let anyone to save such kind of content, which again makes it easy. And that's something I believe it's a wonderful use case of AI, making phones very, I would say safe for children from at least content safety point of view. I think, OEMs across the brands, OEMs across the smartphone industry should look into such kind of use cases where, it's not just about introducing an AI feature. It's about how can we leverage AI to create features which are more meaningful for the consumers. So that's an interesting thing which I came across, and I thought of, let me share it with you. It's very, very interesting use case. In fact, I would want that other OEMs also start introducing a similar feature, because it's very, very pertinent and relevant that we are able to get some kind of protection when our children are using our phone, especially on content side. There may be other things also which are being made available, but look at this challenge. It's with probably every parent out there. Some of the very interesting features, if I can talk of. So, first of all, it's at hardware level. So, hardware level protection is always stronger. So that's one great thing. Second, it's safe from privacy point of view. So it doesn't collect any data of yours. Now, third, it is real time. That's very important because, this protection should be enabled in real time. It should not be, that it first processes the picture or screen and display, and then it comes back and decides to protect. So it should be real time. That's a really very interesting feature out there. I think HMD has done gladly well by introducing this feature in terms of enhancing the content safety. And there are maybe more issues which parents encounter handling while in this digital parenting issue. And I think this is an interesting thing that we should collectively look at. Maybe there are some more things that the ecosystem needs to work around. As a parent, you can tell me that what are other challenges in digital parenting, maybe, which the OEMs must look at and try to find out solutions. I'm sure now with AI layer on top of it, there should be ways of finding out how we can make it more cleaner and safer for everyone, not just children, for everyone. How can we make access to internet through smartphones cleaner and safer? Let me know what are your thoughts, and we can take this conversation ahead, and we'll ensure that we talk to the ecosystem and see how we can find out more solutions. That's what I have in my Tech Byte today. I'll be with you in another Tech Byte. Till then, enjoy tech.